Hi friends, this is Raghu, advocate. Do anyone know about the triple Yasu? Was Japan in the past 1990s has faced the same thing. Now America was in the similar meltdown. In the 1990s, Japan saw a perfect storm. Like stock crashed, bond yield soared, and then yen tanked. They called it as triple Yasu. Now the same storm is blowing over America, and it could be worse. Triple Yasu in the economical terms means market will be down and borrowing cost will be higher and weakening of the currency, which means the falling of the stocks mean market downturn, creating investor panic, wherein investors don't come forward in order to invest this thing. In the same manner, the rising bond yields, which will result in the increasing in the higher borrowing cost, internal debt, which is called as an internal debt, and the weakening of the dollar has been a threat to the global stability. This isn't just an American problem. The US dollar and Treasury bonds are the backbone of the world economy. If investors lose faith, the whole system starts wobbling like a Jenga tower of Red Bull. It's like one where if you face an earthquake, it doesn't mean you are not affected by that. The whole globe will be at a threat, as US has that been a dominant position in the financial system. What is actually fueling the fire? So what's cooking this chaos stew? Trump's trade tariff, out of control government spending means debt, rising interest costs. America is spending more on debt interest than defense. That's not just unsustainable, it's suicidal. Actually, these trade wars, what Trump was doing has been not a good thing. They has been showing off that they are doing the right thing, but actually economy is crumbling, because whenever there is a trade wars means there is an uncertainty in the policy where he was changing daily. No investors will come forward in order to invest, and the debt, internal debt, which was been very higher, and this will make the interest rate much higher, which means borrowing will be costlier right now. So no investors will try to invest in this thing, as the inflation is increasing day by day, and debt to GDP is also been growing. In the similar manner, the market is more volatile and it has been increasing the uncertainty. Could the dollar collapse? As in 1971, dollar unpegged from the gold. After that, some economists say if this keeps up, the dollar might face its own 1971 momentum, where it has unplugged from the gold standards. And the collapse of trust in the dollar could trigger a global reset. No longer fantasy, now a real possibility. Means no one will trust the dollar after these triple yummy. US might have enjoyed exorbitant privilege, like the world funded its spending, but arrogance plus recklessness is creating its own downfall, which is nothing but triple Yasu isn't just a Japanese history lesson, it's America's present and possible the world's future. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit like, smash and subscribe and share it with someone who still thinks the dollar is untouchable. This isn't fear mongering, it's pattern recognition. Let's stay informed together. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.